Hi, I'm Sally Kerfurst, and I am the manager of the Hope Chest. One of the things that I'd like to share about the Hope Chest is a little bit of its history. The shop started with an idea that two women had to support Pillars Community Health's Constance Morris House, probably about 30 years ago. Those two women expanded to four women, who then expanded to a committee of 10 to 20 women over the few years that the shop was in process of being opened. It's been open now for over 28 years. We have raised over $1 million for the shelter. And the thing that makes me the most excited and proud about this endeavor has been the fact that it did start with such a small grassroots effort, brought in the community from the LaGrange area, Western Springs, Brookfield, Hinsdale. It really is an example of what a few people can do with a great idea to make a difference in the lives of others. I'd also like to give a huge shout out to both our volunteers and our donors. We absolutely could not do it without our volunteers who are in each and every day helping us go through the fabulous donations that we receive, making sure everything gets out onto the floor clean and priced and ready to go to the community. Also, our donors are the reason that we're able to raise so much money by bringing us quality uh, clothing, shoes, jewelry in gently used condition. It makes sure that we have a great selection of merchandise to sell to the community, and in addition to raising money for the shelter.
Hi, my name is Sue Joseph. I'm kind of a mainstay around the Hope Chest, so I'm delighted to talk a little bit about it. I first became familiar with it when it was located several blocks to the west in a very small building. I think the original building that the founders had started up in. I wanted to make a donation. It was a cold, icy, snowy day. I'm not the most graceful person in the world. I tripped up the curb, fell onto the sidewalk, got myself into the shop. My ring finger was bent back by the fall. So I couldn't stay too long because not long after that, I had to go to the fire station to have my ring cut off. But I did stay long enough to buy a beautiful coat and talk with the management a little. Not long after I was hired. I don't know if it's a sympathy hire, but anyway, I've been here ever since, both as a volunteer and as a staff member. It's a delightful place to be.